Hello everyone, welcome back. How are you all doing, guys? We bought this one since it's a weekend or towards weekends. Beta Eco. Guess what it is? Yay! It's a yummy eel. Eel with a bed of beautiful eggs, beautiful shallots. Is achara. What is this? Grated honestly, grated carrots, the shallots here, and probably Japanese. This sauce, and then this kind of oh, this is eel. See, that's a grilled eel for my dinner tonight. Look at that. Isn't it so good? Let's do mukbang, guys. And bed of, that's the eel fish. And this one is Japanese style. I don't know what it is. More eel fish for me here. This is grilled, not fried. This is really nice. It's kind of paper thin. Also, if you put the shallots, it's good. And look at this rice in the bottom here. Wow, it kind of $20 or something. It's it, guys. I can't wait to dig in this food now. Beautiful. That's in the Asian fusion. Oh, Asian fusion, yeah. And they don't use MSG there, which is really good. Let's dig this one first. Oh wow, actually good. I want real kutsara here. Bear with me, guys. I'll put you there while I'm eating. All right, it's the eel here. I got a little bit fine bones, but it's fine. It's really good. It's fine. Wow, it's satisfying, you know. I could smell the sugar in the to balance the ingredients. I guess they put sugar on them. Another cheating day for us. Yummy. Sorry guys, I make you hungry. Let's eat, everybody. I haven't been mukbang for ages now, so I thought I'm gonna make some video mukbang for this grilled yummy eel. Most of Japanese people, they love to cook this one. So talented. Also the Chinese too. Mostly Asian people love to cook like this, especially grilled eel. I saw the Japanese kind of vlog that flashing in the YouTube. Oh my, that was in the restaurant. It tastes so good and it looks so good. They cook the live eel so fresh from the sea. Look at that. You get too many protein right now. Wow. With the skin on. Oh wow. Big bites. Let me get my juice, guys. I just put it there, okay? Alright. I got this coconut juice. Alright, I'm gonna drink this now. Pull it from the fridge. Oh, that's yummy. That drink is so refreshing. Anyhow, guys, I will continue doing this mukbang and have a piece of eating for dinner. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna eat half on this and following the half. Alright, there you go. It's really yummy food. Thank you so much once again, guys, for this lovely dinner. Shout out to the chef. Very, very friendly chef. They're always, we are the good customer for them. Really nice, satisfying. Tummy. Kind of, I'm already full after this halfway here. Alright. Thank you everybody for watching. Please do subscribe if you tried the eel before, eel fish. If you've been trying eating this before, this kind of bit of eggs. Yummy. It's really yum. Really satisfying dinner. Thank you everybody. See you all next time. Bye. Maybe I'll just finish the half and I'll let you go. Alright. Why not? Yeah. Somebody paborhot here. Dried pass. The egg tastes good. Oh wow. Sarap. It's so yummy. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings. Happy tummy here. And I hope you bless the other people as well. Let me drink another raw coconut juice. Yeah. Ang sarap ng eel, oh. And the rice that they cook, wow, it's good consistency. Sarap. And then they put soya sauce as well. Can't help it because I think that's the way they marinate this eel, or maybe they grilled it and then chuck some, add some seasoning like soya sauce. Last time I asked them, don't put soya sauce on me too, but I noticed in the eel you get color like a soya sauce on him, so it's fine as long as I eat it sometimes, not all the time. It's fun if you want to love the soya sauce, it's fine, but for me I'm trying to avoid them so I can have less salt for my diet. I'm full already, guys. This is a really big box of food. Look at that. Really big box of food. And my tummy is really happy now. And obviously I can't eat the half for sure. Look at that. It's a big portion too. It's really generous portion. Raw onions. I mean raw sibuyas dahon. Puro, ano yun, shallots. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to put this in the container and put it in the fridge for tomorrow or other day. Or I probably can give it to my pet. So she got lovely dinner too, treat from us. Why not? Alright, everybody. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And I'm really we really do appreciate your support on us. Really from the bottom of the heart. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much, all kababayan. Maraming salamat to all of you. Thank you all, everybody who supporting us. We really do appreciate you all, guys. All our whitey friends, all our YouTube friends and family. Thank you. Salute to everybody and mad respect. Bye. Ciao. Please do subscribe. It's free, and so that we can have fun and more vlogs to come for you. Thank you. Leave us a comment down below as well if you try to eat the EEL fish, like especially grilled one, Japanese style or Asian style, or the other people that cooking this one. Yeah. Really obviously didn't know what they're doing. Yummy. Thank you, everybody. I'm really full now, so I can eat more than this. Bye. Ciao. Have a good day. Have a great day ahead, or weekend ahead, or weekdays, wherever we are in the world. Ciao. Bye, guys. Please do subscribe so that you can help our YouTube algorithm as well, or share this as well to your friends if they love to watch the mukbang. Yum. Cheers. Bye bye.